Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on screenshot sound in realme c30. So let us start our video. Firstly click on the setting icon. After that you will see many options here. Swipe up and we will click on the sound and vibrations. After that swipe up some more and here you will see the screenshot sound is off. So firstly on this, and it means that it produces sound when we take the screenshot or capture the screenshot. I will show you. Here you will see the result. When we capture the screenshot, it will produce a sound. That sound is called the screenshot sound, which is on. So it means that it in this way you will on screenshot sound in your mobile phone. If this video helps you to on screenshot sound in your mobile phone, if this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.